Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to start this new series called Mask of the Month, and it's going to be a new mask that I will be trying for the first time, purchased with my own money, and I'm going to be trying them out on camera to see how they work. So as you can see, I have a bare face. I actually just got out of the shower, I blew dry my hair and just threw on some clothes, and now I'm here with a clean face trying out this mask. And I saw that it was really popular and trending on Amazon Prime Day, and a lot of people were buying it, and it has 5 stars on Amazon, I believe. Let me check here on my app. Yeah, it almost has 5 stars on Amazon. It has 4.5 stars, so this is the Elenel Skincare Ultimate Brightening Peeling Gel. It says it has a brightening effect, it's a gentle exfoliator, and it moisturizes skin. So to me, that's everything that I really want in a mask. I want it to exfoliate the dead skin. I want it to brighten my skin because I do have some discoloration and unevenness in skin color. And it says it's phthalate-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and vegan, which I think is really awesome. So for the directions, it says after cleansing, apply a quarter-sized amount of peeling gel to a damp face. So I'm gonna have to dampen my face a little bit before I put this on. It says avoid the eye area and lip area. Gently massage with fingertips using circular motions for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Dead skin residue will form. So I guess we're gonna see like a weird film that's gonna come to the surface of my skin. So I guess we'll zoom in on that. And then it says rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water to get it off. Use once or twice a week for best results. And in this is 4.9 fluid ounces or 145 milliliters. So here's the packaging. And on Amazon, it wasn't even badly priced. It was $14.25, and it has such a high rating. And all the comments seem to be pretty good. So I'm really interested to see how this works. This could be like a good alternative to a really high-end brightening peeling gel mask you would get from Sephora. Here's the tube here. I actually really like this. I like the packaging, and there's no little peely thing on the top, so you're good to go. So I'm gonna go put a little bit of water on my face just to dampen it, and then I am going to put the mask on. Actually, let's read the back of this bottle because it kind of tells you what it does in detail. It says the Ultimate Brightening Peeling Gel contains natural moisture-rich cellulose. Sorry, I cannot pronounce these like fancy pharmaceutical words, which gently removes dead skin, impurities, and clogged pores. Ingredients such as stem cell extracts, peptide, vitamin C, vitamin E, and natural cotton leave the skin feeling silky smooth and deeply hydrated. Our effective formula helps to activate new cell regeneration by visibly lifting dead surface skin cells to uncover a radiant complexion. Experience an intensive yet gentle exfoliation to eliminate dirt and grime while also providing a soothing sensation without irritating or stripping the skin of its natural moisture. Gentle for all skin types. So to me, this just sounds really awesome. So I'm gonna put my hair up and then go dampen my face, and we're gonna apply this mask. Okay, so I'm back and I dampened my face slightly. So I'm going, whoa, it comes out kind of quick. Forewarning. Oh yeah, you can definitely feel a little bit of grittiness so that it exfoliates the skin. I really, really like that. I guess that's dead skin. Like, see it? Yeah, oh my God, that's crazy. Like rereading the directions, it literally says dead skin residue will form. So this is dead skin residue. Like, that's nuts. Like, oh my God. And I haven't exfoliated my face in like months. Honestly, I know that's so bad. I know it's gross, but oh my God, yeah. That is crazy. I was not expecting all of this dead skin, to be honest with you. Like, I'm just like grossed out with myself right now, but holy crap. Yeah, like you see my face up close, like how it's the dead skin residue forming, like it's everywhere. Holy crap. So I'm gonna go rinse it off because it doesn't say to leave it on, and see if it looks like my skin looks any brighter and if it feels smoother. Okay, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I've just rinsed it off and holy crap. Like it honestly does look brighter. Like I don't know, like obviously it's not gonna clear up my scars from acne right now, but oh my God. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I can see the difference personally looking up close that it's much brighter. And I guess that's because it gets all the dead skin off. So like naturally, yeah, you would think that your skin would look brighter. Like even my Glam Glow mask doesn't do this and I love that mask. I'm trying to look at my pores. Like my pores do look better. You can still see a little bit, but they do look better. I'm like thoroughly impressed with this right now. Like, holy crap. It really does. This is like the brightest my skin has looked after a facial mask that I've ever tried. And I can't believe that much dead skin came off. Oh my God. Well, I guess I have to give this a 5 out of 5 or 10 out of 10, I should say. I really like this. I was not expecting all that dead skin and I was not expecting my skin to look this bright afterwards. I mean, yeah, I'd say so after getting all that dead skin off, but holy crap, yeah. I really like this. I will be using this again. I will even repurchase it if I manage to get through the whole bottle. But I highly recommend this. So I will link it down below to Amazon where I got it. And you can just click on that if you're interested in trying it. Yeah, I mean for $14.95, is that what I said? $14.25? It's totally worth it. I don't have anything else that I've gotten from Sephora that even does this. So yeah, I really like this. I give it a 10 out of 10 and give it a try. And if you end up trying it or if you have tried it, comment down below because I'd love to see what your experience is. And I'll see you next time in my next video. And you know, leave me some suggestions down below if there's another mask that you want me to try for next month's mask of the month. So until the next video, guys, bye.